So I have a story with embroidery because my mother actually taught embroideries, and it's something that I've always personally even really loved, and I was very excited to be called on board to kind of look and also see the work, the exceptional work that Milaya was doing.
So Milaya Embroideries is a 25-year-old embroidery house. The idea is to really utilize our beautiful artisans and their craft and spread it into different industries.
So we've got the copyright from the artist that we can render this in embroidery. So these are originals in embroidery, and it's a landmark show because I don't know who else has done it before.
The idea to collaborate with very senior artists and Indian masters, I should say, is we wanted to start at a space where these artists were already recognized, because then it's very interesting for people to see how their works have been translated since they're already well known.
So we have Raza, Heber, and also Ram Kumar, who are our senior masters, and also Nilima Sheikh, Ranbir Kaleka, and Ghulam Sheikh, who are very senior artists. And I think also choosing their work, which is very suitable to embroidery, which is a medium which looks at details in a very spectacular way. And I think currently in the world, we are at the cusp where finally women and textiles and embroidery is getting its moment.
The artisans are they are the ones who create and design with us. So when we get an artwork, we basically sit, my design team, me and my product development for people, we sit and design with them concepts and ideas of little samples of techniques for that particular artwork, and they give us their creative input, we tell them something to do. It's a collaborative work. So they create sometimes new things and show us, Madam, ye kaise aaya, acha laga, ye this, or look at this, we can do this for the bark of the tree. So they also give their inputs, which we don't know they know, and we also give them things that we research or we think of. So together we come up with the techniques, and then the artists are the ones who execute all this beautiful work. I thought of this concept of creating embroidered art and with great artists, and I called my friend Shalini Pasi, who has a foundation called MASH, which promotes new artists. And I told her, I said, let's work on something like this for your next art fair. And she thought it was a fantastic idea. She does know my work and my company and what we do. And she said, hold on, let me get us somebody great on board who will help make this collaboration really great. And I think she got in touch with Arsha. Next thing I knew, 3 of us were in a chat, and we all got along like a house on fire. She's worked with her before, but we all synergized really well.
Seeing the work of Milaya and Gayatri, it was quite extraordinary to curate this this exhibition and this opportunity. Also to define how you think of an original, and the fact that these are original embroidered works by an artist, so which makes it a new product category completely, and we're happy to do it together, and yeah.
We've had a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah, I think so.